understanding the subject matter of statistics. Student, let me ask you a question. What do economists and cricketers have in common? Like both are obsessed with numbers, runs, averages, strike rates, GDP, inflation, unemployment rate, everything. So that is statistics. So what is statistics? Simply put, statistics is a science of collecting, organizing, presenting, analyzing and interpreting data. It's not just about boring table and graphs, it's turning raw numbers into meaningful insights. Without statistics, economics would be just storytelling. With statistics, economics becomes evidence-based, just like your positive economics, correct? So why do we need statistics in economics then? Because economics is about real world problem, poverty, inflation, unemployment. If you want to know whether India's poverty is declining, we need household survey data. Why we need data, for example, correct? If we want to check whether demonetization affects GDP, we need time series data. If we want to compare income of rural and urban households, we need cross-sectional data. Statistics provide the method to analyze this all. Okay, think of it like economics asks a question, statistics help us find the answer. Economics says, is unemployment rising? Statistics gives the actual unemployment rate. Economist asks, does education improve income? Statistics uses correlation and regression. So what is the basic method of statistics? You are collecting data through survey, census report, organizing the data, arranging in table, presenting the data using graph, analyzing the data and interpretation. So in economics, statistics is not decoration. It's a backbone of analysis. It's help us move from vague guess to solid conclusions. As Nobel laureate Ronald Coase once said, if you torture the data long enough, it will confess. But remember, in economics, we don't torture, we analyze carefully.